Welcome, everyone, to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Mailbag. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today's question comes in from a one-ray Mac. Does Tier 2 get a reduction if their Social Security is higher than their Tier 1 annuity? So right there, just a lot of confusion going on there. So Tier 2 is unique to the railroad retirement system, so it has no impact on your Tier 1 or Social Security piece. So let's just separate that by itself. Now the Tier 1 portion, that will get impacted by your Social Security earnings. So that will have some impact because Social Security is used to help calculate your Tier 1 benefit amount. And then additionally, if you're one of those railroaders that only has a few years of railroad retirement, you might switch all the way to Social Security and replace that Tier 1, so to speak, in which case Tier 1 would have no impact on Social Security. So a lot to chew on there. Check out my video, how Social Security benefits affect your railroad retirement, and that will go through a lot of those issues there. So railroaders, I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to send in your questions. I'll shoot a video on them. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.